How to change time and dates on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, go to settings on your Android phone. Scroll down. Look for the option of additional settings and tap to open it. Now tap date and time. And here, first you can tap time format and make it to 12-hour or 24 hours. And then, if you wish to manually set time, you can easily tap on date and then change the date. As well, you can tap on time and change the time as well. If you wish to set automatically toggle the button on, and then the time will be set automatically as per your reason. If you wish to set the time zone automatically, toggle the button on. But if you want it to make it manually, then toggle the button off and you can tap on time zone and select your time zone. And in this way, you can easily change time and date on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.